Birders are welcome at Highland Hill Farm. Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA has a multitude of bird boxes strategically placed throughout our nursery and on our farm. We allow birders to come and view birds at our farm. All we ask is you bring a small bag of bird feed in return for us allowing you to view birds here. We've had many different kinds of birds here at Highland Hill Farm. We've had eagles, ospreys, even a cricket sparrow has been spotted here. There are many kinds of woodpeckers, wrens, blue jays, cardinals, and a whole host of other birds for your enjoyment. We have many different places on the farm where you can view the birds. If you're looking for bird-friendly bushes and trees, come to visit us at Highland Hill Farm and take a tour through our nursery to see some of the wonderful trees and shrubs that we have that birds adore. We have viburnums, which are known as a winter feeder for birds. So, if you're wanting to plant something for the birds, come to Highland Hill Farm and we'll help you with your bird selection plants. Call us at 215-651-8329. Thank you.